The power of leverage, how small funds can trade big. Have you ever wished you could trade bigger amounts with just a small investment? Or maybe you've thought, if I only had more capital, I could make more profitable trades. Well, what if I told you that you don't need a huge bank account to trade big? The real secret is in mastering the art of leverage, and I'm going to show you how you can use this powerful tool to make your trades go further without needing to risk it all. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change the way you trade forever. 1. Relatable problem or situation. Let's face it, one of the most common struggles for traders, especially when you're just starting out, is the feeling that you don't have enough capital to make meaningful trades. Maybe you've found yourself in situations where you see an amazing trade opportunity, but your available funds just aren't enough to capitalize on it the way you'd like. I know that feeling. It can be frustrating. But here's the thing, you don't need to trade with your own entire capital to make big moves in the market. That's where leverage comes in. 2. Introduce the concept of leverage. Leverage is a tool that allows you to trade more than you could with your own money. It's like using a lever to lift something heavy that you can't move on your own. With leverage, you borrow capital to amplify your trading potential. Imagine you have $1,000, but you can borrow $9,000 from a broker to place a $10,000 trade. If your trade is successful, your profits aren't just based on your $1,000, but on the $10,000. The potential to make more with less is the true power of leverage in trading. 3. Give actionable advice. How can you use leverage without overextending yourself? Here are a few steps to make the most of leverage. Start small. If you're new to leverage, start with a smaller amount. Don't go all in on a huge trade. Think of leverage like a tool. It's meant to enhance your trading, not be the entire strategy. Know your limits, understand the leverage ratio your broker offers, but don't get too excited and overuse it. Many brokers offer leverage like 51 or even 101. That means you could control a much larger position than your actual deposit. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use stop loss orders. A stop loss helps you manage the risk if a trade goes in the wrong direction. It's essential to protect yourself while using leverage, so you don't end up losing more than you can handle. Trade strategically. Don't let leverage tempt you into impulsive trades. 4. Explain the consequences of misusing leverage. Now, let's talk about the flip side. While leverage can increase your profits, it can also amplify your losses. When you use leverage carelessly, you could lose more than just your initial investment. This can be emotionally tough, especially if you've been making a series of trades that didn't go as planned. And it's important to understand that the more leverage you use, the more volatile your positions become. Think of it like this: if you're playing with a large stack of blocks, one wrong move could knock the whole tower down. In trading, that wrong move could be one bad decision that wipes out your profits and more. So always remember that with leverage comes both reward and risk. 5. Personal example or analogy. I like to think of leverage in trading like riding a bike with training wheels. At first, you might feel a little unsteady, but as you get more confident, you can start pedaling faster and controlling the bike with more precision. At first, using leverage might feel a bit scary, but as you practice and learn how to manage your risk, you'll start to see just how powerful and helpful it can be. Just like those training wheels, leverage helps you get more control over bigger trades. But remember, the more you practice and understand leverage, the easier it will be to stay balanced and make the most of it. 6. Solution and positive takeaway. Leverage is a game changer, but only when used wisely. If you approach leverage with a strategic mindset, it can help you grow your trading opportunities without needing to have massive funds. It's a skill, and just like any other skill, it improves with practice. The more you learn to manage it, the better you'll get at making calculated, profitable trades. Remember, it's all about smart moves, not rushing in. Focus on the quality of your trades, and let leverage amplify your strategy. You'll start seeing results that reflect your skill and patience as a trader, not just your account balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things Forex. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how you've used leverage in your own trading journey. And remember, leverage isn't just about trading bigger, it's about trading smarter. With the right strategy, even small funds can make a big impact. Keep learning, keep practicing, and happy trading.